Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to download Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft official website. It's a very important issue, so don't forget to watch full video. It is always recommended to download any application from manufacturer's official website. So we have to download Windows 11 from Microsoft's official website. Okay, now I am going to show you how to download Windows 11 from Microsoft's official website. Open your browser. In address bar, give the link insider.windows.com/en-us. I will give the link in description. You can find it from there. Okay, now hit enter. First of all, you need to sign in by your account. Click on sign in button here. Give the email address. Next. Now enter your password. Now click on sign in. If you want to stay sign in always, you can click on yes, or if you don't stay sign in always, you can click on no. Okay, I am clicking on yes. Now look, I am already signed in my email account. Now scroll down. Look, this is a link ISOs. Click on ISOs. Okay, now scroll down. Here you have to select your edition. Click on drop down and select the edition. This is the Windows 11 Insider Preview Development channel, and this is for Windows 11 Insider Preview Beta channel. Okay, we have to use now beta channel till the full version of Windows 11 will release. Okay, I am selecting Windows 11 Insider Preview Beta channel, and now click on confirm. Now you have to select the product language. I am selecting English. Again click on. After clicking on confirmation, your Windows 11 ISO downloading will be started. Okay, I am not downloading right now. Close the window. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.